Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the vintage film filter on TikTok. It's really simple and easy to get. If you're unaware of what it does or what it looks like, it just looks like this. Kind of makes it look vintage in your video. It's actually pretty unique. Now, all you have to do to get this filter is just you want to head over to TikTok, open up the application, and head over to your Discover tab. Once you're there, you want to go up to the top search bar and just search for vintage film filter. Once you search for that, all the motive is to do is just find someone using that filter on their video. So we can just click on some of these here until we find it.
Ladies. All the workers. What?
Just like right here. So once you find the account with the little vintage film little link on it above the username, you want to click on that. And then you're able to add it to your favorites, and now you'll be able to use this under all your favorites whenever you make new videos. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.